Big mistake. Buttons don't line up with buttonholes by 3/8. Spacing between buttonholes and buttons are not the same. There's a gap. The pocket don't line up. Big problem. Let's fix it. So I measured the buttonhole from the edge and it's 5/8. A stitch takes about 1/8 around. So space between buttonholes vertically is 3 1/8. Now I don't really need a button marker, but I will still make it so that I can figure out where to sew button from the front edge to get 1.5 overlap. As you see, I want 1.5 overlap. Here, that's 3/4 from the front edge. Three quarters. Okay, let's start sewing buttons correctly. So line up from the bottom, left and right, and pin at few places. Prepare thread. I use 4-ply Tex 40 polyester. So you have to put the needle from the buttonhole to the other side and make sure it's correct from the edge, which was supposed to be 3/4. Double check. Now tie the thread and sew middle button. Let's fast forward this part. It's important to keep spacing same between buttonholes and buttons. Okay, so finish sewing 3 buttons, and now I'm going to double check. When I button, I want to check what the overlap is. It's supposed to be 1.5. Well, it's pretty flat. It's even. Pockets are even. Now this is how I check overlap. Okay, it's 1.5 inches. Finished.